Genesis, chapter 10 verse 22. The sons of Shem, Elam, Ashur, Arphaxad, Lud, and Aram. 2 Chronicles, chapter 6 verse 11. There I have placed the ark, in which is the covenant of the Lord that he made with the people of Israel. 1 Kings, chapter 9 verse 21. Solomon conscripted the descendants of all these peoples remaining in the land, whom the Israelites could not exterminate, to serve as slave labor, as it is to this day. Numbers, chapter 11 verse 21. But Moses said, Here I am among 600,000 men on foot, and you say, I will give them meat to eat for a whole month. 1 Chronicles, chapter 12 verse 24. From Judah, carrying shield and spear, 6,800 armed for battle. Numbers, chapter 21 verse 24. Israel, however, put him to the sword and took over his land from the Arnon to the Jabbok, but only as far as the Ammonites, because their border was fortified. 2 Chronicles, chapter 10 verse 18. King Rehoboam sent out Adoniram, who was in charge of forced labor, but the Israelites stoned him to death. King Rehoboam, however, managed to get into his chariot and escape to Jerusalem.